Hi guys, I'm Brian from Website Learners, and today I'm going to show you how to create a sticky animation video just like the one you're watching right now.
I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah. Do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
Sorry, can't help you.
What do you mean?
You need experience.
But I need a job to get experience.
These sticky animation videos are super easy to make, fun to watch, and perfect for social media. You can use them to tell stories, create funny videos, and even host a YouTube channel like many big YouTubers currently do. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process from writing the script, adding a voiceover, to creating the final animation. I'll break it down step by step so it's super easy to follow. So let's get started. We're going to create a sticky animation video in just two parts, and the first part is to prepare the script and the voiceover for the animation video. We're going to do this in just three simple steps. The first step is to create the script for a video, and to make people watch a video and grab their attention, we need a funny and engaging script for our sticky animation video. If you already have a script, you can skip this step. But if you don't, no need to worry. We're going to use an amazing AI tool that will make creating a script for our video super easy. So to create the script, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. With this tool, we can generate a funny script for our video by simply entering a situation or a scenario. For example, I'll enter a conversation between a boss and a job seeker. Click create content. And that's it. We've got our script. But keep in mind, if it doesn't sound good or natural, just improve it manually to match your style. And did you know that GravityWrite is on sale right now? So if you want to generate images, write content, you can use GravityWrite and get it at a discount today by clicking here. Great, we have successfully created the script, and now to make our video come alive, you need a voice that connects with the audience. So let's go to the second step, which is to generate the voiceover for your video. To generate the voiceover, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. With the help of this tool, you can generate voiceovers of any kind for your video. So let's click on Get Started for free and quickly sign up with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll get this page. Here we need to enter our script. So let's go back to this tab. First, we will generate a voiceover for the job seeker's character. So let's copy the dialogue of the job seeker. Come back and paste it here. In the same way, copy all the dialogues one by one and paste them here. Once you're done, next we need to select a voice for this character. To do that, go to Voices and click on Library. You will find a list of AI voices that you can use for your video. Since we want a voice for a funny animation video, the voice should sound natural and have some changes in the tone to keep it interesting. To get such a voice for our characters, go to Characters and Animation, and you will get plenty of options to choose from. Just select the one you like. Let's check this one.
For real? I got partnered with Sarah? She's as useful as a screen door on a submarine.
And it sounds pretty good. To use this voice, just click Use, and the voice will be selected. Alright, once you have selected the voice, to generate the voiceover, just click Generate Speech, and your voiceover will be generated.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring. Oh, no, I just graduated.
And that sounds perfect. To download it, just click on this icon and it'll be downloaded. So now we have the voiceover for the employee's character. In the same way, let's generate the voiceover for the boss's character too. So now we have successfully generated the voiceover for both the characters. And you might have noticed that we have two separate voice files. But since this is a conversation, we need them to sound like they're actually talking to each other. So let's go to step 3, which is to combine the voiceovers. To combine the voiceovers, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. Now Kapwing lets us edit videos and audios effortlessly to create high quality content. So let's click here and sign in with your Google account. Now click Create New, and here we need to upload all the audio files. Just drag and drop them here just like this. Okay, now both the audio files are uploaded. One contains the boss's dialogues and the other contains the job seeker's dialogues. To create a proper conversation, we need to separate the dialogues and arrange them in the right order based on our script. This way, it will flow naturally like a real conversation. To split the dialogues and arrange them in the right order, we need both the audios on different timelines. So to do that, just select this audio and drag it here. Alright, now we have two different audio tracks. Now to split all the dialogues, just play the voice
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
and pause where the dialogue ends. Then click split. And that's it. The dialogue is now separated from the rest of the audio clip. Next, select this part and move to make space for the next dialogue. Now since the next line is from the boss, I will select the second audio track and place it here. Now just like before, play the audio.
Yeah, do you have any experience?
Pause where the dialogue ends and split it. Then move this part away. Then place the audio of the job seeker here. Now we'll do the same thing for all the dialogues and arrange them in the order of our script. Okay. Once you're done, let's play it and see how it sounds.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah, do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
Sorry, can't help you.
Well, the flow of the conversation is really smooth and it sounds perfect. To download this audio, just go to Export, select the MP3 format, click on Export as MP3, then the file is exported. So just click Download and it will be downloaded. Now we have everything we need to create an animation video, so let's go to the second part of this video, which is to create the animation video. We are going to do this in just 5 simple steps. The first step is to install the Tweencraft mobile app. Now this is the app that we are going to use to create the sticky animation video. It's beginner friendly, super easy to use, and works right from your phone. So just make sure you have the audio file of the voiceover on your mobile phone. Alright, to create the animation video, go to the Play Store, App Store, and search for Tweencraft. And this is the app that we are going to use to create the animation. So let's install it. And it's done. Alright, we have successfully installed the app. Now let's go to step 2, which is to select the scene and characters. To do that, just open the app. Click on the plus button. Here select the ratio as 9:16 because this will be perfect for shorts and reel videos. Okay, now we need to select the scene and the background based on the script. So first let's select the scene. And as you can see, we have so many options to choose from. You can select the one that fits your script, but I like to create a new scene from scratch, and this will help you design the scene that matches the script more accurately. So let's click create your own scene. Next, we need to choose a background. You can either select one from the available options or click here to upload a custom background. Since my script takes place in an office, I'll choose this one and click next. Okay. Now we have selected the background for our animation video. Next, we'll select the animated characters. Now you need to choose 2 characters for a scene. So go ahead and pick the ones you like. Once you have selected the characters, click next. And now we have successfully selected the scenes and the characters for our video. So let's go to the third step, which is to add the voiceover to the characters. Here you can see we have an option to either choose a trending audio or upload your own audio file. Since we have already created the voiceover, we'll upload that. Just click import audio, select the file. Next, select the language for your audio. I'll choose English. After that, pick a tag for the video. I'll go with comedy, but you can select whichever tag that suits your content. Then make sure you enable this option and it will keep your audio private so no one else can use it. Once that is done, click next. And here you can see the characters in the background which we have selected earlier. Now let's adjust the character's position within the frame. To move the character, simply select it and drag it to your desired position like this. To adjust the size of the character, click on it and use the slider to resize it as needed. And once you're satisfied, click Save. Now let's do the same for the second character. Adjust the size and the position and click Done. Alright, the frame looks great now. Next, to assign the dialogues to these characters, click on the speaker icon above the character for which you want to assign a dialogue first. Then click here.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
And pause it where the dialogue ends and click Split. Now this voice is assigned to the employee's character, so let's do the same for the boss's character. Click on this icon.
Yeah, do you have any experience?
Pause where the dialogue ends and click Split. And it's done. Now repeat the process and assign all the dialogues to the respective characters. Once you're done, let's see how it looks. Click here to play the video.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah, do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
Sorry, can't help you.
What do you mean?
And it looks good. So now we have successfully added the voiceover to our animation video. Now to make the animation more natural, we need to add some facial expressions and hand gestures. So let's go to the fourth step, which is to animate the characters. You can give the characters different movements and expressions for each dialogue to make the animation more dynamic and expressive. So to animate them, click on a character, And here you'll notice pink dots in different parts of the characters, like the face, head, hands, and legs. Just drag these dots to make the head turns, hand gestures, and even body movements. For example, if you want to change the position of the character's hand and head, simply click on the pink dot and their hand will move into the position that you want. Repeat this for the head and any part that you'd like to adjust. Keep refining until the pose looks right, and to change the character's facial expressions, click on expressions and select the one you want to apply to the character. Once you've chosen the expression, click apply. And once you're satisfied with both the pose and the expression, click done. Alright, now in the same way, let's animate the other character. First, click on the character, adjust the pose to match the dialogue, then go to expressions and choose the expression you want. Click apply and click done. Now let's play the video.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah. Do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
And it looks amazing. Alright, now we have successfully animated the characters for our video. Now to enhance our video and make it even more engaging, let's go to the fifth step, which is to add sound effects. To do that, click on this plus icon. And as you can see, there are plenty of options available to enhance your video. For example, if you want to add props, click on add props. And you will find a variety of props to choose from. So to add the sound effects, let's click here. Now click on the plus icon. Click on sound effects. And you'll get these options. Let's check this one out. Click here to play the sound. And you can check all the options and choose the one you like. I like this one, so I'll click add and click here.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah. Do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
That sounds good, and in the same way, you can add sound effects wherever you want in the video. Once you're done, click next. And now we have successfully added the sound and video effects. And our sticky animation video is ready and it looks fantastic. So once you're happy with how the video looks, we can go ahead and download the video. To do that, just click on export. And as you can see, our video is getting ready to download. So just click save to gallery and your video will be downloaded. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah. Do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
Sorry, can't help you.
What do you mean?
You need experience.
But I need a job to get experience.
No, you need experience to get a job.
That's why I'm here.
We have jobs here, not experience.
Then where do I get the experience?
Wow, it turned out amazing. It's funny, engaging, and an absolute delight to watch. So that's it guys, this is how you can create viral sticky animation videos. If you're ready to create your own sticky animation video, just click here and it'll take you to the page that we saw in the first step. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and remember to hit the subscribe button. Take care. Bye bye.